Hey guys, what is going on? We are here actually at Ernest picking up some to-go beer and some food because we are loaded up and heading to Florida right now. We have Klaus, if you can see in this light, it sucks. I know, I'm sorry. We'll do some updates like at the gas station. He is all in there, packed full, tires, tools, everything, in a tarp, which is most likely going to blow off as we're driving. And we got Ben's truck because he's so awesome. That's completely packed full in the bed of the truck, all packed full in here, packed full in the back with luggage and merch. It's gonna be fun. It is 17 hours from right here to our Airbnb where we're staying in Bradenton, Florida. This is Garrett. You guys haven't met Garrett yet. He's riding down with me, being a good Apple buddy. He's so awesome. Garrett, are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
I'm not ready.
Just securing the tarp with the tape.
We went 3 miles down the road and the tarp already ripped. It is not going to make it. Literally, it's going to be gone before we hit Bowling Green. But that's life. So we're going to get on the road. We got a bunch of miles to do, and we'll probably check in with you at the first gas station maybe. We'll see. All right, guys, it's about 3 hours later, and we are just outside of Cincinnati right now. Truck's holding well. It's getting about 7 miles per gallon. Awesome, great. The tarp, on the other hand, is not holding up too well. The front half looks good, and then you get to the back half. It's gone. Literally, it's disintegrated.
See the tape though, I put some tape on here.
We got some, Garrett's on tape patrol. We're saving it. I wonder, by Georgia, what, we'll probably lose up to the windshield, probably. Oh, so you got little exhaust clips hanging out. Well, it's great. It's awesome. It's still freezing cold. We're gonna get back in the truck. I'm gonna sleep. Now Garrett's gonna drive. All right, update time. We are at the Georgia-Tennessee border. We're in Georgia now. Tarp, we've lost about half of it. Now we're down to the windshield. It's just disintegrating, but everything's still in here. Garrett's doing good, still driving. I'm trying to sleep. It's not really working because I can't ever sleep in car rides, but we're getting there. Tarp's still there, everything's still there. Bathroom break, and check back in with you a little bit. Update time. We are in Macomb, Georgia right now. We're making good time. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning, 7:30, something like that. So we saw the filters fall off the turbo somehow when they were in the tarp, but we found them. They're still good. As for the tarp, it's getting smaller and smaller by the day. We're now to right there, which is awesome. Garrett fixed it all up. We secured basically the front half. That's all we kind of care about. Keep rocks, chips, all that good stuff. But we noticed, see, I got like my nice taillight right there. I go on this other side and my taillight is gone. We have no idea what happened, where it went, but no taillight. You don't need them. They're optional, right?
Yeah.
But we're gonna get back on the road. We got like, what, 5.5 hours, 6, yeah. 12, I don't know.
6 of you driving.
Yeah, fine. But yeah, just a few more hours to go, and I'm sure we'll give you another update, maybe some videos of driving. We'll see. We are in Florida now. We're about 3 hours from Bradenton. It's 11 o'clock. We're making great time. The tarp is in there now. There's almost nothing left, so we decided we're close enough, no more flapping. Let's show Klaus off a little bit. Ah, ah, ah.
Way to go, Carl.
That's from the tarp rubbing it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, well, that's something we just found out too. Cool.
That's fixable.
Nope, it's ruined. Throw the whole car away.
Yep.
Well, other than that, and the missing tail light, Klaus is fairly decent.
Hey, 1,200 miles, dude.
Yeah, 1,200 miles. We're doing good. Straps are holding tight. Table's still back there. We still got everything. It's still there. Yeah, look at that. It's just fine.
Wing didn't fly off.
Wing didn't fly off.
Fluttery things.
Look at that. Oh man, that makes me mad about that. The wrap, the ceramic wrap though. It's
That's
literally
crazy.
just like disintegrated, gone from flapping.
You know, 80 miles an hour.
Turbo bolt or something bolt. They loosened up on both sides.
I'd say it's probably an installation problem.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it usually is. Okay, that's the update on that. We're gonna check in 3 hours when we show up to the B&B. right, guys, we made it. We are here in Bradenton, Florida right now at our wonderful Airbnb. We spent the last couple hours actually cleaning up, shower, unloading everything. Garrett detailed the car. Yeah, what's your brother's detailing business?
It is the detail center in Holland, Michigan.
Detail center in Holland, Michigan. So he's of course a master at all this. Detailed the car. We did a nut and bolt check. We tightened everything up. We fixed a few problems. Some kind of stuff got broke, but it's all fixed.
The tarp was awesome.
Yeah, the tarp completely disintegrated all into the car. That was awesome.
Tarps become whips apparently and break things.
Yeah, we gotta learn how to tarp stuff off, I guess. I don't know anything. But we're gonna head over to Brian's house. My brother, you guys remember him from the red Supra video that he won. He's like 15 minutes away, so we're gonna go there, get some food, have some beers, drive around Klaus, have some fun. So that's the plan. Let's get to it. All right, guys, that's it for day one. We are all done. We actually just had to stop over at Advanced Auto because the alternator stopped working. Started losing more and more juice. That was awesome. So we bought another alternator. We're gonna change that in the morning along with that squeaky belt. All kinds of fun stuff, but we're gonna go ahead and end it off right here and we'll see you guys in the next one.